Hi, I'm now going to cover the topic of how to save the channel list onto a USB key and how to use a file on a USB key to program a box automatically, okay? So what we're going to do here now is I'm simply going to come along and press the menu button, okay, and we'll scroll down as far as Tools, and come over then as far as Upgrade by USB, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take, dump the channel list onto a USB key, okay? So what I'm going to do here is just go for the dump option here, okay? I come along and just press start. And you see it's a very, very quick process. So all of the channels on this particular box have now been copied onto this USB stick, okay? So what we're going to do here now is I'm just quickly going to exit out and exit again. I'm going to come to the top thing here. I'm going to go for delete all. You sure you want to delete? Yes. And all the channels are gone. So if I exit out here, there's no channels on the list. So what I'll do here now is I'll come along, upgrade by USB, and all code and bootloader, and the file from here, okay? That's the file it's seeing on my USB stick. So if we wanted it, we could actually have brought that thing and saved it onto or edited this file on the PC and just say, give the time and the date that we made that particular file. What it's doing here is it's pulling all code bootloader stuff. So it's copying literally all of the software, everything like that, relevant to this box, along with the channel list, off this USB key, and it's putting it onto the box here, okay? So this whole process here is somewhat slower than before, but still in all, it's only going to take maybe in the region of about 20 or 30 seconds, which is obviously a lot quicker than if you were making the decision to manually tune a box from scratch. Yeah, so when the download is finished now from the USB stick, the box turns off, and when it turns back on here, we should have a fully pre-programmed box. And there we are, proof of the pudding. So that actually is a great feature on the Xoro box. It works extremely well, it's fast, it's efficient, all the rest of it. One quick thing I'm going to show you here is once we go into this menu thing here, when you go to take out your USB stick, if we come along here, there's a thing called remove USB device safely. Press it here, USB disconnected, and now you can take your USB stick out from the back of the box and it'll work well. Okay, that's it. We can end uploads and downloads of the box using a USB stick.